Hello, so I'm Marie from Netatmo, and I work as a PR manager there. So today we are here at CES Unveiled to present our new product, which is a smart video doorbell. And what it does is basically when someone rings at your door, you will receive like a phone call on your smartphone. And basically the advantage is that you can decide to pick up the phone from anywhere in the world. So as you can see here, the design is quite sleek. You have the ring button just here. The installation is very easy. You just have to remove like the back part. We have a micro SD card here with free subscription storage. Then you clip it back like this. It is the first HomeKit compatible smart video doorbell, and it has like an international compatibility, which means that it's compatible from 8 volt to 230 voltage.
So it can do North America and Europe, right?
Exactly, so we'll be available worldwide.
Will you be selling it on Amazon?
Exactly, so in our shop, on Amazon, on our local stores throughout the world as well.
I see you won an award.
Exactly, we're very proud of it. And yeah, as you can see, we are showcasing it there.
Thank you.
No.